Just wanted to do a nice little video on this Remington shaver. Freaking phenomenal, man. Phenomenal. Nice wide blade, nice curvature to it. Grips the head perfectly, as you can see. Beautiful. I used it, and I'm gonna put that video with this one. It took me 3 minutes. I'm used to cutting my hair in like half an hour, like taking a good amount of time to get around the ears and everything and the back of the head. This, bar none, right through and through. I didn't see no patching, anything. It took me only 3 minutes to cut my hair, which was phenomenal. And it was already short, but I just wanted to test it, and it buzzed it down even shorter, which is great. Phenomenal shaver. Again, just attach the blade from the back for easy cleaning. They give you extra thing of oil for the blade. Charges in the back when that turns solid. It's good to go. It takes 3 to 5 hours, and it's good for 40 minutes use. But with 40 minutes, you could do a lot with this thing. It comes with an amazing amount of attachments. It comes with 12 attachments. They're huge. Look at this. They're just so wide. Great for the beard, things like that. But look at this. Just comes with a whole grandeur of attachments. Nice little cleaning brush. Get right in there. It's not bad. I tend to use a paintbrush, believe it or not. I think they clean better because of the soft bristle hairs. They get into finer areas, but comes with a nice little instruction manual. All around great product. I plan on using it a lot. Yeah, so if you haven't have one of these, go and get one, especially if you like shaving your head bald. This is definitely fit for that. There's 2 models it says on here, the Remington HC4240 and then the 4250. I believe I have the 4250, which comes with more of the attachments. But all around, great product. I highly recommend it. And yeah, thanks. Testing out this new Remington shaver that I just got. I don't know if it's a new model or not, but I like that it has a wide head. And I like to cut my hair quick and fast when I go to work, and it's waterproof, which is a plus. Charging port in the back. Blade comes off right here. Press this in the back. Comes right out for cleaning. Good quality though. It has a good amount of weight to it. But it really comes down to like how fast you shave. It's actually really good. Not bad. Really good shaver. Grips the whole back of the head. Really good. Nice shave quality. I highly recommend this right now. It's a nice good buzz. See, it grips the whole head. Look at that. Beautiful. Probably a good body shaver too. Not bad at all. It was actually really quick. See how well it did. Wow. Cut the whole back of the head. Really nice. No patching. Pretty good. Sides too. It's a nifty little shaver. Nice blade set right there. Remington. Highly recommended.